Hello friends, in previous lecture we study about Boolean algebra and De Morgan's theorem. Today we study how to simplify the Boolean expression using Boolean laws. So here we take the one example, y is equal to ab plus a in bracket b plus c plus b in bracket b plus c. So by using distributive law we simplify the equation ab plus a dot b plus ac plus b dot b plus bc. Now again we observe this equation, we identify that those equation contain b dot b, which is nothing but the AND law. So we write the equation as a dot b plus a dot b plus ac. So by using AND law we write this term as b plus bc. So here we mention which rule we use. B dot b is equal to b. Again we identify that those equation contain the two common terms a dot b plus a dot b. So we take the single term here, a dot b plus ac plus b plus bc. So we representing ab plus ab is equal to ab. So this is nothing but the OR law. Again we focus on the equation, we identify that those term contain the common b. So we write as a dot b plus ac. We take the term b common and we write the equation as 1 plus c. So again 1 plus c is become 1. So we write as a dot b plus ac plus b, and we mention here the law 1 plus c is equal to 1. Again we observe the two terms a dot b and b. Again we take the b common and we write 1 plus a plus ac. So here 1 plus a is again become 1. So we write as b plus ac, and we mention 1 plus a is equal to 1. So in this way we simplify this equation, y is equal to b plus ac, we get the final expression. Now so by using this equation we have to draw the logic diagram. So here this equation indicate that the plus sign indicate it is the OR operation between the terms b and ac, and a dot c it is the product term, so it indicate that it is nothing but the AND operation. So here we first draw the one AND gate. Those AND gate has the two inputs a and c, and we get the output as a dot c. Now again we have to take the OR operation. So OR gate has two inputs. One input is nothing but the a dot c and the second input is nothing but the b. So we get the output equation as y is equal to b plus ac. So in this way we simplify the equation and we also draw the logic diagram for this particular equation. Now we take the another one example. The second example is y is equal to a bar dot b bar dot c bar plus a bar dot b dot c bar plus a b bar c plus a b c bar. Now again we have to simplify this equation. So for that purpose first we make the observation, and within two terms we identify that a bar and c bar are common and we write as b bar plus b. In second term if you observe we does not get any common terms, so we write as it is a b bar c plus a b c bar. So b bar plus b is become 1. So we write as a bar dot c bar in bracket 1 plus a b bar c plus a b c bar. So here we mention that b bar plus b is equal to 1. Again we rewrite the equation a bar dot c bar plus a b bar c plus a b c bar. So again we have to observe the equation. In this equation we take the common term as a c bar and we write the equation as a bar plus ab between these two terms, and the last term remains as it is, a b bar c. So if you observe a bar plus ab, this is nothing but the a bar plus ab is nothing but the a bar plus b. So we apply this rule. So we write as c bar in bracket a bar plus b plus a b bar c. So again we expand this equation, c bar a bar plus b c bar plus a b bar c. So this is nothing but the final expression of this equation. Now again we take the another one example. Next equation is y is equal to a bar b bar c bar plus a bar b c bar plus a b bar c bar plus a b c bar. Now again we observe the equation, and in this equation we identify that these two terms, first term and second term, has the common a bar c bar. So we write as b bar plus b. In second term we identify that remaining two terms containing a and c bar common, and we write as b bar plus b. Again b bar plus b is nothing but the 1, so we get the equation as a bar c bar plus a c bar. So here we mention which rules we use, b bar plus b is equal to 1. And again here if we take the c bar common, we get the equation as a bar plus a. Again a bar plus a is nothing but the 1, so we write here a bar plus a is nothing but the 1. So we get the equation y is equal to c bar. And if we draw the logical diagram for it, we get the logical diagram as nothing but the one inverter which has one input is c, and we get the output as c bar. So in this way we study the simplification of Boolean algebraic expression by using Boolean laws.